Okay. I got you, buddy. And we go. Oh, shit. God, it's bad controls. Freaking. Tried switching. Methods mid-flight there. I don't know. Okay. Now we put it right there, right? Now, okay. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of it now. Alright, we can control it with the phone. Alright, you know, here, there, a little bit. We got this, do a set path. Ooh. Come here. Over here. Come on. Come on. What's wrong with you? And down you come. Good. Right? That was better. I mean, for $50, freaking, that's not bad for $50, right? I mean, geez, I mean, freaking, that's not a bad image. I mean, compared to that one, freaking, wow, you know. Look, it's already on my phone, saved. Is there audio? I don't know if there's audio. Is it in my gallery? Oops, not my calculator. My gallery. Yeah, it is. Look, they already got it in there. And apparently there is no sound. See, no sound. Oh well, that's unfortunate, right? I mean, whatever. I mean, why don't drones record sound? They just record video, but you know, like, okay, I mean, that's not bad video. It's not the best video either. It's, yeah. So, anyhow. That's enough of that. You know, like you gotta remember that like I have no clue what I'm doing when it comes to this. This is my first try. I don't have a background in this kind of stuff. I don't have any prior training. Nobody's helping me. I'm just going through their booklets and freaking going across my phone and stuff like that. And yes, it does have a little bit of a learning curve and a little bit of a connectivity issue. You know, like I had to reset the Wi-Fi a couple of times, reset the app a couple of times, and then it hooked up, you know. And I'm also running a pro model phone. I mean, that's one of the things I've figured out over the years is you got to have freaking like some of these devices need to be the best devices, whereas some of these other devices can be lower end devices, you know. I mean, it all depends on what you're trying to do in the long run. You know, if you're just trying to have fun, if you're, you know, blah, 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 you know. I mean, because if you're in tight quarters like I am and you're trying to take this a little bit seriously, then of course you're going to want the upper end stuff, right? Because of course then you're going to, you know, like not want it to lag or freeze, you know, and possibly cause you to lose control or whatever, you know. I mean, because when I lost control and I crashed the drone, it was user error. It was not, you know, like the phone or the drone's fault so much. I mean, maybe it's the drone's fault a little bit or the interface's fault a little bit because freaking it said there could be some connectivity issues in heavy Wi-Fi areas, and I'm like, well, freaking everything around here is using freaking Wi-Fi, freaking, you know, because I was having some issues, you know, like I'd give the thing a control to freaking fly a certain direction and it just wasn't responding, you know. And then, you know, like I'd have to give it a couple of times, but that's why I'm really glad that it has, you know, those prop guards, you know. Freaking prop guards on a drone are a really nice thing to have, you know. I mean, why in the heck wouldn't you want to have them? I mean, freaking yes, it adds a little bit of weight and aerodynamic issues, you know, but it really freaking helps you I guess, anywho. But that's enough, I guess, for this one. You know, like, always remember to like, subscribe, keep following on. And I'm going to keep doing this, you know, because it's fun, isn't it? I'm enjoying it. If you're watching it, you must be enjoying it. So, see you later.